Hello dear students, my name is Shaina Gupta and I am an assistant professor in RPIIT Medical and Technical Campus. Today we are going to discuss about project management. Any project involves planning, scheduling, controlling a number of interrelated activities with use of limited resources, namely men, machine, material, money and time. The projects may be extremely large and complex, such as construction of a house, a highway, a shopping complex, etc. Introduction of a new product and research and development projects are also the part of projects. It requires that the managers must have a dynamic planning schedule system to produce the best possible results and also to react immediately to the changing conditions and making necessary changes in the plan and the schedule. A convenient analytical and visual techniques of PERT and CPM prove extremely valuable in the assisting the managers in managing the projects. Though through both PERT and CPM techniques have similarities in terms of concept, the basic difference is that the PERT is used for analysis, project scheduling problems. CPM has single time estimate and PERT has 3 time estimates for the activities and uses probability theory to find the chance of reaching the scheduled time. What is a project? A project is an interrelated set of activities that has a definite starting and ending point and that results in the unique product or service. Now, what is project management? Project management is a scientific way of planning, implementing, monitoring and controlling the various aspects of the project such as time, money, material, manpower and other resources. Now, what consists of the management process? The management process consists of the 3 phases: planning, scheduling and controlling. Let's start with the planning. Planning involves setting the objectives of the project, identifying various activities that are to be performed and determining the requirements of the resources as such as man, material, machine, money, etc. The cost and time for all the activities are estimated and a network diagram is developed showing sequential interrelationships, predecessors and successors between various activities during a planning stage. Then comes scheduling. Based on the time estimates, the start and finish times of each activity are worked out by applying forward and backward pass techniques. Critical path is determined along with the slack and float for the non-critical paths. And last comes controlling. Controlling refers to the analyzing and evaluating the actual progress against the plan. Reallocating the resources, crashing and review the projects with periodical reports are carried out. Now comes, what are the components of PERT and CPM network? PERT and CPM are the 2 techniques which are used for the project management. These are the 2 project management techniques. So what are the components of these techniques, or what are the components that are used in these techniques? There are 2 major components. First is activities and second is events. An activity, what is an activity first? An activity represents an action and consumption of resources required to complete a portion of the project. In PERT CPM analysis, we represent an activity with an arrow. As you can see in the picture, I to J are the 2 events and there is an arrow marked A, then A is the activity. Then comes event. An event or node will always occur at the beginning and at the end of the activity. The event has no resources and is represented by a circle. So if we see in this previous diagram here only, the I and J, the circles I and J are the events. Arrow is the activity and I and J are the events. These are the 2 components of the PERT and CPM. What are the concept of PERT and CPM? We will doing in the next videos. I hope the planning, the phases of the project management, meaning of the project management and the components of the a PERT CPM analysis are clear to you. For similar kind of videos, keep watching RPIIT Academics channel. That's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.